45 again. Boy, it goes down out here. Y'all hear me? It goes down out here. Y'all see that? The job never done. We got one over in the ditch there. Down bad in the ditch. Down bad in the ditch. I gotta get it out of there. You hear me? And the cars are coming this way, so I gotta turn the truck around. Cars are coming this way, so I gotta turn the truck around. Y'all see that thing over in the ditch? We got one turned over now. We got 2 vehicles over there. It is what it is. I can't even show y'all I'm loading because I'm by myself now. My daughter ain't with me. So I'm gonna put that down, grab the thing, get it out this ditch. Got another car with up beside it. No, it ain't no car here. No car. There's a U-Haul trailer. Alright. Let's go to work. There's money to be made, right? This is a $250 job right here. I'm giving them a break. Alright, y'all. Check this out. I ain't with this shit, y'all. Alright, man. We got somebody out here to help me get this car side of the road. Now check this out, man. Oh. Y'all see this? Down in the ditch. But man. That is not the problem. That is not the problem. I don't feel comfortable now. You hear me? I do not feel comfortable. I do not feel comfortable. I see this down there. That is DOT behind me, man. I don't feel comfortable with this motherfucker in my back. They done done that plenty of times though. I don't feel comfortable. Hold on a second. Y'all see it? Y'all see it? Oh, hell no. I don't feel, y'all lies. No. I'm on my camera. Alright, y'all, here we go. Showing you this right here. Let me get this car out of here. Oh, DOT pulled off. What the hell? I almost got a rabbit foot on me. Oh, God. Damn, that motherfucker gone, boy. God, get that motherfucker around me, man. I don't even feel comfortable talking to that motherfucker. He said, you good. I said, man, you don't leave me the fuck alone, man. God, let me get the fuck out of here, man. I'm so glad that motherfucker gone, man. I got tired of me fucking that motherfucker. This shit. He said, man, this don't go down like this, man. He said, why the police done left us out here, but all right, y'all, I'm finna get this thing out, man. For insurance purposes, man. All right. car, but guess what? I'm the man for it though. I'm the man for it though. See what's going on. I'm coming back up the interstate now backwards. Coming up the wrong way. The only way I can get to the car. The only way I can get to the car, I gotta go back up the road backwards. I mean, they got the right man for the job, you know what I mean? One of the baddest in the city doing this thing. Need no training, no nothing. Just natural born skills. Coming back up the road backwards, and I'm gonna bash slightly down in that ditch and snap that guy up out of there. For them 250, you hear me? Which I gave him a break. Coming all the way back down. I got a good little way to go back down there. That lady probably shouldn't have paid me already. I was probably say, oh, he done ran off with my money. I don't do bidding like that, man. I don't do like that. It's just like that. You pay, you gonna get your product. That's like in the business. I don't want that for nothing. I don't want that for free. But if I'm grinding and working for it, I sure want me. You hear me? I'm coming back up. I ain't made it back to the spot yet. Told y'all I'm finna flip the channel over. Flip this channel. I can just stay home and be making money at the same time and filming. I kind of like this a little better now. So there they go. They see me now. They know. Oh, he wasn't playing. He coming back. I ain't run out with your money. I don't know how, you know black folks think. They think that about each other. I'm gonna take it real, cause I think that about another black man. I'm gonna be straight up. Some of you can't trust. You gonna pay them up front, they don't wanna do nothing. She doing this, I don't need no sponsor. I don't need it. I'm my own sponsor. I don't know what's going on here now. What the hell going on? Hold on now. What the fuck is? Oh, mercy. Now they done got all in my way to car all the way over there. They ain't gonna work that. What made them pull down, man? Oh, mercy. Hold on. What made y'all pull down?
We didn't know. I didn't know who was coming in.
Oh, I'm coming. You know I'm gonna. I told him to come back, go backwards.
I thought you was gonna go around that way and come back.
That ain't gonna make no sense to go do that.
I don't know.
Yeah.
So we just need to move back.
Yeah.
We're gonna probably just go up here and turn around.
All right, y'all go ahead. God damn. All right, that one out the way. I wish I could hold the camera and do it at the same time. But then the camera finna die. Okay, they bagging all the way up out my way. Yeah, please get out my way. I got a job to do. I don't like, and the thing about me, I don't want to be on one job. I told my partner the other day, there was 2 hours with him. He crying about $100. You know if you watching, you know what time it is. Break down again, don't even call me. But anyway. But all right, y'all see it down in there. So I got to be turned, back. This gonna be a rough one. Thing laying up on the tree. It's gonna be rough. It's gonna be rough there. But I got it, y'all. Y'all see it? Got a halfway out of there now. She got some potential on that cave. You hear me? Snatch this motherfucker out of here. It's gonna be hard. I'm ready to pull off with it, y'all. Watch this bad boy at work. See what I'm tired of? Cameras on us. Oh, he got these cameras out here. Alright. Y'all see I got that thing on that truck, y'all. Ooh, it was a hell of a job, man. Look, U-Haul gonna have to come get that. U-Haul gonna have to come get that, y'all. But like I said, there ain't no problem. Classic Tour can't get it. Dirty South good the right way. You got it? Now I'm gonna show you now. Now I gotta go all the way up here to the exit. The wrong way now.